birthday. I have 365 of them a year, and I can't miss one. Y'all know what happens on the fourth day of Christmas. My true love gave to me 4 calling birds. And I'm telling you, them birds are noisy. They keep on saying, Kane, Kane, Kane. Merry Christmas, Kane. It's time for the sing-along. You know what happens now. On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds, 3 French hens, 2 turtle doves, and a partridge in a pear tree. I feel pretty, oh so pretty, oh so lovely and pretty and bright. It's the 4th day here, and my nails are dry. Push that bad boy in. This box smells so good. I don't understand why this box smells so good. What fragrance is it today? Rose Enema. I'm almost out of my tuberose. Even though it was a few days ago, I wore it to today's party, and I just got a little bit left. I think I'm gonna wear this rose one. This is my all-time favorite fragrance by Atelier. It's got a rosy smell to it, but in addition to that rosy smell, it's got oud in it. So I want to update you today on how I'm doing with my little panning. I have to do the empties videos, but you know, we're Vlogmasing, and I did my pan palooza, which is up right now. But I just wanted to give you some updates. First of all, on my pan matte palette palooza, I have finished one. I bet you can't guess which one it is. Of course. Look at all that beautiful pan. Isn't it lovely? I've finished this palette. It's well made, and I'm using other palettes that don't have a mirror now, and I'm really missing that beautiful mirror. But this is going to be in my beginning of the year. I saved all my empties for the whole year, and it is a wreck in the spot where I'm keeping them. But I will summarize everything I panned this year. So rate, comment, and subscribe if you want to know everything I used this year, all the makeup I used this year, so you can maybe take an inventory of how much makeup a person that uses a lot of makeup would use in a year. And I panned this Milk Cheek product, and at first I didn't like it. I thought it was too greasy, but it really brings out the color in my mess. In my blushes, it gives them something to hold on to. My previous play boxes too. This is a Becca Opal. I love this, and I want to now buy a large amount of Becca highlighters, because I now understand the hype. I was thinking, oh, black as I am, this is not gonna work for me, but this works so good on me, this Becca Opal. Let me see. Here's another one that I've hit pan in. I've been using this for a month, and I think I abused this one because this lifts my mood right now. As of late, I haven't been feeling that great. I got hit with like just this achiness. I have some health problems, and I got hit with this really achiness, and I couldn't even leave the house for a week. And this chocolatey scent just kind of elevated my mood. I do not have a chocolate palette, but now that I'm enjoying this Chocolate Soleil bronzer, I do have another one of these sample sizes of this, and since it does elevate my mood, just to put this on, I have this on right now. I love this bronzer on my skin in the winter time. I think it looks so elegant and not overdone for a daytime look. This is a daytime look for me, you know. So I'm trying to grab this hair wherever it is. Look at that. That just, okay, that's in the back. There we go. Ooh, I got one more. I finally had to call this one done. You know that because I'm doing Vlogmas, but then again, you may not watch all of these Vlogmas. I'm putting these videos up for people who want to watch Vlogmases. But I finished this one. I have it on my nails right now, And this was my November nail polish. I didn't expect it to go into December. I have it all over my cuticles. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm shining like a diamond, and I'm okay with it. And sometimes if you're okay with it for yourself, that's it. You know, treat yourself. But I really enjoyed this. I'll tell them now, Mom. You cooking.
Don't do it too often.
Okay. You got hot water in there? Okay, Mom, we going.
The water's boiling hot.
Yeah?
Add it. A little bit at a time.
There you go. Woo. See, that takes skill.
I've never made this.
You want the cornbread wet but not too soggy.
Okay.
This is going to be quite a bit of hot water cornbread. And you add a little sugar to the cornmeal.
Yeah.
Give it a
Teaspoon
extra
of sugar for 3 cups of cornmeal about.
A little more than that.
A little more than, because you used the packet from McDonald's. That's a
Yeah,
teaspoon.
but I had some before that.
Okay.
I already put it in.
One pack is how many?
A pack of a teaspoon of sugar.
Oh no, I use way more than that. And I don't measure, so it's going to come out different every time.
Yep.
Okay. See, this is wet enough, but I want to make sure all of it is wet. You're going to have to do it with your hands. There's no other way to do it. You have to have clean hands. And if they're not real clean, the hot water will clean it. This is one of those things that's just no other way. If you spoon it out any other way, it's not going to be right.
Right. It'll look like mine.
These are not hush puppies. This is hot water cornbread.
Like at the fish
Think
place.
we know how to fry chicken?
Oh, never mind.
I used to.
Deborah does. I'm sure both Deborahs know how to fry chicken.
Oh,
We used
okay.
to hunt Deborah. And fried chicken. Ooh, gosh, it's so long.
And this is a whole lot of hot water cornbread here.
Yeah.
Really, it came out to be a little more than I expected, so we will
Oh,
not
good.
be hungry.
Good.
We will have plenty of hot water cornbread. It's good leftover.
If you have it left over.
Some people have gotten up the next morning and eaten a piece of hot water cornbread.
Who's
Johnny
Connie with
cake?
it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need 2 skillets for this now. And what's that man? Emmett DeGarcia? Oh, yeah.
The skinny cook.
They start off skinny, they just don't stay that way.
Now you know who I like to see?
Oh, yeah, she's skinny.
Mm-hmm. She can cook.
But she's not eating if she's skinny.
That's why I don't trust
She can
them.
eat.
Really?
She can eat. And she has her own restaurant.
Shape them and make them
Oh,
count.
she does have her own restaurant?
And that's it. Hey, I'm doing a cooking show. How about that?
Mhm.
And see, these will be done but before the food gets done.
Mm.
Thank you.
How you bring it?
Have you got the greens on the pressure cooker, Mom?
Yes.
Okay. Pick the greens from the garden here, and Mom pull the stems off because I take the stems and throw them around the food. I'm gonna show you what I do here. Just take them and then let them compost in there. See, like that.
So you cut that hot water cornbread with butter. Chicken on some hood housing. I told him about it.
Sock it to me? Oh, but that one has nuts in it, so Deborah can't eat that
I
one.
left, no, it can't. I left one with, she said she can pick the nuts, and I left one little section with no nuts.
But how's she gonna find that, Mom, when we cut the cake?
How you gonna do this section with no nuts?
You can do a cake with no nuts. It's no big deal. A lot of people don't
Deborah
like them
said
anyway.
She just don't eat the nuts.
Eat the nuts. She gonna pick them out.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just in the middle.
Okay. The cornbread still cooking?
No, it's good.
Nice. Beautiful. It came out so golden and crispy. Oh, that one with the chip in it looks so good.
Somebody do everything for
Yeah,
them.
they been already cooking for them.
I believe the folks be cooking the food for them, don't you? We just,
Yeah.
They chop up all that stuff for them.
and they show us a little bit they do. I believe that's all they do.
And like Rachel Ray, she can't do no toast. So she actually have a girl that come in on the show. When she worked there though, but she comes in, she do a toast for her.
Why she can't do the toast?
How she always burn it.
Oh, she does.
Actually, this one right here.
No, I'm supposed to take one because just in case I can't take it into, Oh, you can't take it to the real? You can eat it on the plane. Yeah, I can eat it on the plane. They have to look at it.
The pencil. Yeah, she got it.
I think I'm gonna put it in a bag.
Jacobs. I already have some on, but I want a little bit more.
You know he's English. He has an English accent.
Who? And that is today's look. For the lipstick, I should tell you, opulent organza. Actually, did I grab the wrong one? Let me see. Yeah, that's not the right one. Opulent organza. This was what I'm wearing. L'Oreal. It's nice and moisturizing. Jesus loves you, and I love you with all of the Jesus in me. Be blessed, beautiful. Merry Christmas.